You left something? Sorry, excuse me. You left something or it's not yours?
Yes, yes, thank you so much.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
No problem.
Let's do that stop.
Jay?
Yes, that's with a J. No.
Aren't you guys like married? Okay.
I'll let him know.
So I'm in the area too.
Okay. Not dealing with it.
Oh, okay. That's a guy actually. On my last till the yeah, honestly, really overdone stuff for sure. And then every now and then, yeah. Yes, sir. That was the cycle.